In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Nintendo Switch is not turning on or charging. So the first thing you want to do is remove your Switch from the dock and plug in the AC cable directly to see if that was the issue. Now, if it's not charging still, remove your AC adapter from your Switch and unplug it from the wall, and then you want to turn off your Switch if it just happens to be on. So you want to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds and it'll auto shut off. And then once you've done that, what we're going to do is wait a few minutes and then plug your AC adapter back into the wall. And then you want to plug it into your Switch and wait a few minutes and then press the power button at the top to see if it turns on. Now, if it does, that's great. If it doesn't, have a look at your AC cable to see if there's any damage to it, as well as the bottom of your Switch to see if there's any damage there. Now, if everything looks okay, you can go ahead and plug it back in and then let it sit and charge for half an hour before pressing the power button again to see if it turns on. Now, some people have reported by quickly pressing the power button twice and then on the third time pressing it, holding it down, has managed to turn their Switch on as well. So you could give that a try. If you do manage to get to the home screen, go to System Settings in the bottom right corner and scroll down to System, and from here go to System Update to ensure your Switch is running optimally, and I also recommend you update your dock as well while you're at it. This video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.